Hello and welcome to the Plant Doctor. On this week's edition of the show, we'll be pruning Forsythia. So Forsythia is going to be a deciduous shrub that is grown in zones 3 through 8 or 9. Here where I'm at, we're on the very southern end of where you can grow Forsythia. You get down into areas like South Texas and into Florida, you don't see a whole lot of these. But starting in, say, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, and then way north, I said zone 3, all the way up into places like Minnesota, you'll see Forsythia. Forsythia, for me, it kind of signals the very end of winter and very, very, very early spring. So for us, it blooms in late February. And it has beautiful yellow flowers that run up and down the entire stem of the plant. In this particular case, you can see a little bit behind me here, this serves as a screen, and this is a deciduous screen. So over here, just off the camera screen here, there's a patio and a screened-in porch, and this is kind of like a 3 seasons room for the homeowners here on this property. Now, so when we have winter, there's no leaves on this, but that's okay because they're not out here a whole lot, because where we're at, it does get chilly. It's not unusual for us to be in the 20s at night and the 40s and 50s during the day. And so they're not out here a whole lot. They're out here in the spring, the summer, and the fall. And that's when this plant has nice, dense foliage. So as the blooms begin to fall off in early spring and late winter, this plant will begin to leaf out. Now, in terms of pruning, what I like to do, I do not like to get after these guys with the head shears. I like to take hand pruners, and all I do is I take some of the taller, leggier limbs like you see here. I go back just behind in front of a bud, not behind a bud, but in front of a bud, and I just take it off. And it's as simple as that. These plants can get as wide as they do tall, and they tend to have this really nice arching, weeping growth habit as they mature. And I try to let these plants have that habit. So, and by taking off just the tall, what I call leggy stuff, we can accomplish that. Guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you. Until next time, this is the Plant Doctor.